Swoop Aero joins FAA and CASA for joint certification process. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Australian drone logistics company Swoop Aero is undertaking a joint remotely piloted aircraft (RPAS) certification project with the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) and the Civil Aviation Safety Authority (CASA) in order to stimulate growth within the global aviation industry. Going forward, the project will allow for the flawless incorporation of drone technology throughout both urban and rural environments across the globe, utilizing Swoop Aero's advanced Kite aircraft. Our world-first collaboration with the FAA and CASA means that Swoop Aero is setting the gold standard for the global aviation sector, said Swoop Aero CEO Eric Peck. We are working closely with the leading regulatory bodies globally to ensure the Swoop Aero technology-enabled platform meets the highest global safety standards and can scale up the service across every inch of the globe. The process of joint certification will serve to reinforce Australia's aviation abilities. Swoop Aero has showcased the significance of drone technology on a global scale. CASA's involvement will guarantee that Australia maintains its status as a world leader in its regulatory position and framework towards the widespread applications of drone technology. In addition to the joint certification program, Swoop Aero is also currently undergoing the European Union Aviation Safety Agency (EASA) design verification process for its Kite aircraft. Australia's aviation potential is further bolstered as a result of the augmentation of Swoop Aero's expanded Port Melbourne-based production headquarters. The considerable backing of the field of local aviation will serve to increase the demand for jobs within the aviation sector, as does the demand for the Swoop Aero technology-based platform worldwide. CASA is excited to be working collaboratively on the joint type certification and production certification of this remotely piloted aircraft, said Pip Spence, CASA's CEO and Director of Aviation Safety. This project promotes the safe growth and innovation of the RPAS sector and will help pave the way for future growth in the industry. Subscribe to DroneLife for more drone news.